So go ahead and inhale through your nose. Hold. Release. Inhale. 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 Hold. Release. And last time, inhale. Hold. Release. So that was it. That was actually a little bit longer than a minute, but that was triangle breath. You might find yourself just maybe a little bit calmer or more relaxed than you were before. Now let's talk real quick about where can you do this and when can you do this. So I'm sitting here at my desk, and it took a minute to do that, right? I often will do it sometimes in the car, especially if there's a lot of traffic. If I'm starting to feel stressed or anxious, when I'm overwhelmed. And, you know, if I'm stressed or anxious, it could be, you know, I'm at the store, or it could be, you know, waking up in the morning, or it could be when I'm just out and about, right? It could be when I'm in a conversation with somebody. The ladies in my class have told me they used it when they're doing the dishes. They've used it, they take it like when they come home for work. Sometimes we can bring the energy from work, or if they've been on a phone call with somebody who's gotten them really kind of frustrated or shifted their energy, they'll just do this really quick to calm themselves down. One of the ladies does it before bed to help her kind of, you know, relax herself before bed. So the other lady does it on a walk. When she goes walking, she likes to just do it while she's walking. All right, thank you so much, lady, for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. Be sure and try this triangle breath out, because it's absolutely fabulous. I know you felt a shift if you did it, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. All right, lady, have a great rest of your day.